Energy Mission Machinery stall at IMTEX 2022, and with us is Sanjay Khankar, the Director of Energy Mission Machineries. Welcome to Machine Maker.
Thank you.
You are having such a beautiful stall this time.
Thank you very much.
With a lot of new products.
Yeah, we have launched some new products like regrowing machine and another robotic bending and 4-roll plate rolling machine.
Okay. So today we are going to talk about this new machine which is launched here. Sir, what is the name of this machine? Like, what is this product?
This is CNC growing machine.
Okay.
So we can do growing
Grooving.
in thin sheets on this machine.
So you have press brakes.
Yeah.
I have seen many press brakes, many different models.
Yeah.
Press brakes working in tandem.
Yeah.
So this is also the same application or a different application?
No, this is for operation before the bending.
Before bending?
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened when we bend seat on a press brake, we get some radius, inner radius. But there are some required, some specific job. So they require no radius after bending. So after grooving, when we bend on this press brake, there is no bending radius.
So this is a new product you have developed?
Yeah.
So when this is the first time you are launched?
Yeah, we have launched in IMTEX 2020.
22.
Yeah, 22.
This one. So which are the major applications? Which are the companies which should take this product?
Some of the fabrication of furniture industry,
Okay.
elevator sections, some kitchen sections, and particularly some designers. So they are designing some extra interior designer or some
Interior design, architects.
architecture.
So basically for this needs special application.
Yeah.
So can we just look at some of the products which are already
Yeah.
bending and kept?
Definitely, I can show you. This is the job bend after we groove.
Okay.
So there is no bending radius here. It is very much in right angle without bending radius. No inner bending radius there.
So what I'm telling is first, but this is done in
Yeah.
the press brake or in this?
No, the grooving is done on this machine.
Acha, first grooving is done.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I am trying to understand in this first this one line.
Yeah.
I'm not a technical person. So grooving means one first line is
Yeah,
done, and then it is
line means some deep groove is there.
deep groove.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is like 0.2% of a sheet thickness.
Okay.
The deep grooving is there, and after grooving, we bend on CNC press brake.
Okay. So this is for the grooving machine. What Energy Mission Machineries have launched here at IMTEX 2022. You can see the bended product in my hand. So there is no
Radius.
bending radius is not there. So that is achieved by first the sheet metal
Yeah.
kept on this machine,
Yeah.
make the grooving line,
Yeah.
then took it to the particular press brake, and the bending is done.
Yeah.
Thanks for explaining this, and all the best for this new product.
Thank you very much. You are always welcome.